Local SEO is probably the most underestimated of all SEO strategies. It is both quick to yield results and implement. Don't get fooled by the name local SEO. If you are active on the international or national market, local SEO will strengthen your global SEO. It is the place to start for any SEO campaign. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. When you sell locally, what you need is more walk-in traffic in your shop or on your website. To achieve this, you want to attract people who are looking for what you sell in your area. Local SEO should be the first full step. However, you can attract as much traffic as you like, but if it's not the right traffic, it will not turn into cash flow. We help you figure out who you need to attract and the best way to attract them and turn that traffic into customers. Although the results are quick, it's important that we focus on getting you the right traffic right away from day one so that we move the needle when it comes to sales and income. We work with you to collect all the information and content we require to give you local visibility. But the secret is to make sure you become visible for what you're best at. Not just any keywords, the right keywords. We don't want a busy website or a busy receptionist. We work with you to create real return of investment. Working with Fairtech will help you identify these leverage points that will get you the right results you want. You also don't need to wait for months and years to get visibility because your fishing pool is smaller and well defined. Here's what you get with Local SEO Package. We understand that every company is unique, so we'll get a full customized strategy for your company. We will make sure that all the local SEO tools at our disposal are unlisted to their full potential to achieve the sales you desire. You can relax knowing that you now have the right partner that can bring you more of your ideal clients through the front door. If you're not sure whether you're ready for local SEO, here's what you need to think about. You know your ideal clients because you already have some. You're 100% committed to providing imagery, information, content that helps us optimize your online presence. You have the time and the man hours to collaborate with us on a weekly, monthly basis to keep the work moving forward. When you set a free consultation meeting with Fairtech, in this first meeting, both sides will see if we are a good fit for each other. We will listen to your business needs and goals. We discuss your SEO options. We propose a strategy that will let us help you reach your goals in the shortest time possible. We come to a budget which you need to invest initially in order to make sure you see a fast return on investment. We discuss long-term goals and how SEO can help you maintain growth in the long term. This is a great opportunity to apply for your free consultation now by following this link here or clicking in the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at Local SEO, How to Win. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe and don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.